Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So I'm out in my garden. It's raining and it's cold. Yeah, and it's a little windy out here. But today I want to harvest some sugarcane. Now I'm going to harvest just one stalk of my sugarcane, right? Because today I'm going to make some sugarcane juice. Have no fear, baby. I'm going to bring you with me, okay? So let's go get some sugarcane first. Yeah, I have sugarcane in two parts of my garden right now, but I'm going to share. So I'm going to come over here by this sugarcane. Let me see if I can get a good, healthy stalk of sugarcane. Well, let me see. I'm going to use two hands, y'all. So I'm going to have to sit y'all down for a minute. Okay. All right. I had to go get some reinforcements. So I'm going to cut it here. All right. And I already cut it off. So here we go. So this is the piece I'm going to work with today. It's a pretty long piece, but let me get it in the house. And then I'm going to share with you all how we going to make some sugarcane juice. All right? Okay, let me get in the house. It's cold out here, y'all. Okay, so I cut it into smaller pieces. Now I'm going to get it in the house. All right. Oof. So I'm going to get some. This is chocolate mint. Y'all, my fingers are froze. Yeah, it's so cold. This is not good. It's not good. Not good weather. Not good weather for me. No. So this is some. All right, one more piece. All right, that's good enough. So this is my sugar cane. I have cut it up into smaller pieces. Yeah, baby, we were fighting in here. This sugar cane ain't no joke, right? She don't play. But anyway, this is what I chopped up, and I put it in smaller pieces because it'll be easier to go through my juicer. So let me share my juicer. Yeah. So this is my juicer. So this is the box of my juicer that was a gift from Chris and Sheryl of Back to Our Roots Homestead. This is my Ninja Never Clog cold press juicer. And it is amazing, y'all. It's amazing. But let's get on with this video, all right? And I used it for the first time last night. Now, this may be the first video I put up about my juicer, or it could be the second one. But anyway, thank you, Chris and Sheryl, so much. I'm enjoying this juicer. I'm enjoying it. Yes. So today we're going to do my sugar cane. All right. So let's see what it do, y'all. Let's see what it do. So, of course, this is my very first time juicing sugarcane, right? Now, I know that sugarcane is very fibrous, so I wanted to take my time and get it through my juicer, right? It was very easy to go through, and no, it did not clog at all. But I did take my time. I cut my sugarcane in small pieces, and yeah, it was wonderful, wonderful. But there's also another way that I saw where you can juice your sugar cane. I will share that with you all in another video, okay? But as you can see, it is just going through perfectly. Everything is going through here great, and I'm excited about all of the potential of me having this sugarcane juice, right? And with this new juicer, listen, the sky is the limit for me, right? I am so excited about juicing many of the fruits and vegetables that I grow right here in my garden. Yeah. Back in 2020, I saw Lead Farmer 73 juiced his sugar cane, right? But Lead had a different machine, right? One that I just don't have, but it made me so excited to be able to juice my sugar cane. But Lead, thank you, man, because I did watch your video again. Mainly that knife you had to cut the sugar cane. I know that would have been helpful over here today. So I have cleaned all my parts. I'm getting ready to put them all back in the box. Yeah. But this is my sugar cane juice. That's it, y'all. So listen, I only used a small amount of my sugar cane because I just want to try it. Now, I did not strain this sugar cane juice, but would you look at that? I mean, it is very, very clean. Let me taste it. So family, what I can tell you about this sugarcane juice, it is amazing. It's refreshing, it's sweet, it's delicious. There is so many health benefits that comes from sugarcane juice. One is hydration. It hydrates your body after you have exercised or work in your garden. Yes, it gives you energy. It says sugarcane juice gives you a boost, and I can feel it. Listen, this is real sugar. This is not refined sugar. This is real sugar, right? Yeah. And it is also great for the digestion system, right? Man, listen. I will be harvesting more of my sugar cane and juicing it and bottling it and putting it in my refrigerator for later dates. But it is delicious, family. I'm so excited. And I want to thank Chris and Sheryl, Back to Our Roots Homestead, for purchasing this juicer for me. Thank you so much. It is awesome. In my next video on juicing, I harvest many of the oranges off my tree, and I use my turmeric and ginger, and I juice them. I'm going to share that video with you all next, maybe in about another week. But it is ready. It is. And listen, that juice was amazing, family. It was amazing. Yes. But I want to thank you all. And this is my juicer. Later, y'all.